Is a case that will come down to proving identity. Today, jurors heard opening statements along with some witness testimony in the trial of Thomas Stidhum. He is accused in the hit-and-run crash that killed a tri-state runner back in 2015. 9 on Your Side's Brianna Harper joins us live with the arguments from both sides. Brianna.
Well, Kristen, today in court, the defense made it clear that two things must be proven in this case. One, that Thomas Stidhum was in fact driving the car that hit and killed Cathy Chatfield, and two, proving what his intentions were at the time of the crash. It's been nearly a year and a half since 57-year-old Cathy Chatfield was hit and killed while racing in the annual Seven Hills Run. But today in court, the prosecution wanted to remind the jurors of this deadly situation as if it was yesterday.
He didn't call 911. He didn't summon help. He didn't go to her aid. Instead, you know what he did? He put the car in reverse. He tried to drive away.
He's talking about the defendant, 25-year-old Thomas Stidhum. In his defense, Stidhum's attorney argues there's no solid proof he was the actual driver of the car based on what she says is a lack of evidence.
An eyewitness identification that was recorded the day of the accident or the day after the accident, gone.
The prosecution called for 3 different witnesses today, including Cincinnati police and fire, who were the first ones on scene.
There's blood, small pool of blood is also marked.
Several pictures were also submitted as evidence, along with 911 calls made from the scene of the crash.
The person is down and unconscious that was hit by the car.
Some of the calls also describe Stidhum running from the accident, but the biggest piece of missing evidence, the female passenger who was allegedly with Stidhum at the time. We're told she has been subpoenaed to testify, but according to the prosecution, shortly after the accident, she's been nowhere to be found. The defense then presented their reason why.
A notarized statement telling me that she was pressured by the police to point him out, and she was scared.
But what both sides did agree on is that an innocent life was lost. And according to testimony today from Chatfield's brother, she was killed doing what she enjoyed most.
She had taken up running as a form of exercise to release stress and lose some weight and be in better shape.
Now, Stidhum now faces 4 different charges, including vehicular homicide, aggravated vehicular homicide, failure to stop, and tampering with evidence. Now, court will resume here at the Hamilton County Courthouse tomorrow morning, beginning at 10:30. Reporting live, Brianna Harper, 9 on Your Side.